This will be the elevator at the King Street Garage in Lancaster. It's a KONE EcoSpace with KSS 370. Hope you enjoy this and celebrating elevators. Tell me what you think. This is the we got KONE. Let's look out the window. This is the elevator at the King Street Garage. Get ready. It's a KONE. Watch the indicator this time. Your basic parking garage elevator. Going down. KSS 370, hands-free ADA code compliant phone, KONE. £3,500 capacity. Thanks for watching, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like the video. Anyways, a word to Lancaster Parking Authority, you should have gone with something like Otis, because KONE breaks down a lot.